Hey there, it's Creative Sarah here. We're going to do a Christmas book stack DIY. First, we're going to take our candy apple chalk paste and mix it with a little bit of our bark to kind of darken it up. I love that brick red color. Then we're going to paint the bottom book and the top book of our book stack. Now I'm just using a paintbrush, the 1-inch paintbrush from our artist tool set, and I have mixed that paste with just a tiny bit of water just to get my brush wet and to allow that paste to go on smooth and solid. We don't want a washed look here, we want like a solid look. So I'm painting a couple coats, as you can see. I'm drying in between all of my coats, so I'm using our quick dry tool. Easy to see here. You could also use a hair dryer if you have that at home. Just do the cool setting on low and you should have no problem drying the chalk paste. So I'm finishing up that first, I'm starting that second, and we're just about done painting. And we're gonna get to decorating, which is the fun part, right? So here we have the finishing touches on this painting, and we're gonna go ahead and chalk Joy to the World on the edges of the book. So it's gonna look really cool, like those are the titles of the books. So I have my transfers here, and I'm just gonna place them on here. We're gonna first start with fuzzing our transfer and then placing that on there, using some white chalk paste on the red, Joy, get that dried. Then we're gonna do to the, we will paste that in our red color using our squeegee here. There we go. And then we'll go ahead and get that dried. And then the world will go on the very bottom, and we will paste that in white. So there we have our red and white Joy to the World. Get the world dried and flip it over, and we're going to make a fun little ribbon. We're gonna make a bow. So I've got some cute little ribbon here and probably like 6 or 8 pieces of smaller ribbon that's gonna fit right across that book. Tie it, make a messy bow, and then I'm gonna add just a tiny little greenery behind it. Look how cute this is. Follow Creative Sarah for more options and CreativeSarah.com for more information. Thanks for watching.